Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the outer tie rod on your vehicle. It will be about the same procedure, guys, for almost any car, with some minor differences here and there, but that's how almost all of them function. And we have some play in this one. As you can see, the boot is busted right here, and you can feel it in the steering wheel. You can feel it when you grab the disc with both hands and try to move it. You can feel the play. So we definitely need to replace this one. Once the boot breaks, guys, just a couple months and it's done, because all that dust and water that gets inside of it, it eats the metal and you get play, and that's what's causing it to knock, and you have play in the steering wheel as well. And we're demonstrating on a Ford Escape, guys, first generation. We got both of them, front left and front right, for only $18, free shipping on eBay, and they come with the grease zerk as well, so you can grease those, but don't overfill them. That's a good thing. Every year or so you can grease them and keep them in good condition. And that's the one with the replaceable boot as well, so if something goes wrong, you don't need to replace the whole thing. And stay with us, we're going to show you now how to replace it and how to install the new one. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for one new video every day. First thing, in order to remove the outer tie rod, that nut right here, that's the one for the alignment as well, so you need to loosen that one, okay? And just loosen it, but don't move it more. So we'll try not to mess the alignment, guys, but most likely you need to do an alignment. That's why we recommend doing left and right side, and after that get a front end alignment. Now on the bottom, usually they have that pin right here that you need to pull out. That's just a safety thing, so the nut cannot come loose, which means if it comes loose, you lose the tie rod and you lose steering all over your car. And then you need to find the socket that fits on that nut, and you need to take that nut off, okay? All the way, just pull it out, and now most likely the tie rod will not come out of there. So what you need to do, never hit on the bolt, because that will never, it won't work. It will just not make it come out. So you need to go on the hub right here on the cast iron and hit it with the hammer, okay, a few times, and it will pop up. So you can see, okay, so now it came up, and you can just grab it with your hand, and you need to turn it until it comes out of the, okay, out of the shaft there, but don't move the nut. And if you get the original style outer tie rods that are the same length, even though sometimes it will be still a little bit different, you might save the front end alignment, but we recommend to get it aligned, okay? And now all we need to do is just screw it back on until it touches the nut, okay? Just go like that. Okay guys, we touched the nut, and now we need to take the bottom nut off, and you need to go in the hole there. You need to make sure that it's lining up good, so it can go all the way down. You might need to move the hub a little bit, okay? And it went in, okay, all the way. Now you need to install the nut on the bottom and get it tight, okay? Don't forget to get this thing tight, okay, right there. And after you get it tight, we'll need to use install that safety pin. We got this one tight, and now we need to make sure that the holes align. And you need to turn it until you can see a hole from one of the nut slots right here. Okay, let me see if I can get a good view. Okay, just like that. So you can put the safety pin in, and you need to go with the wrench and just adjust it to where it fits good. And then you just need to, you can help it with the plier just to push it in. And now you need to bend both ends, that way the nut will not be able to come loose if something happens. And now you need to tighten the top nut. That's the one for the alignment there. You get it tight all the way to contact the outer tie rod. Okay, just like that. You might even hammer it a little bit, because it's important not to move there. Okay, just like that. Okay guys, and now let's show you the old one. Okay, you can see how bad that thing is. Okay, and let me show you how easy that thing moves. It has lots of play in it. And the new one, no matter what you do, it's really hard to move it. It's almost impossible almost breaking your finger. That's how tight it is, and that's how it should be. So that's a whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to... Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.